You're watching How Leap. Let's change the desktop wallpaper on Windows 11. Right-click on any empty space on your desktop. From the menu that appears, select Personalize. This opens the Settings app to the background page. Here, under Personalize your background, you will see a drop-down menu. Click on it to choose between a picture, a solid color, or a slideshow of multiple images. If you choose Picture, click Browse Photos to find an image from your files. Navigate to your desired picture, select it, and click Choose Picture. Your wallpaper will update immediately. You can also adjust how the picture fits your screen using the Choose a Fit option, such as Fill, Fit, or Span for a solid color. Simply select your preferred color from the grid. For a slideshow, choose a folder containing your images and set how often the pictures change. Your new desktop background is now set. For more simple computer tutorials, subscribe to the channel.